celebrating yourself. जिंदगी है उसके मकसद में इस बार की सख्त अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. Good morning, principal, teacher, and my dear friends. I am happy to see you all around. My name is Yasir. Thank you all for showing interest in my speech. My interest is about how to be a good student. I hope you would like my view. A good student is an asset of a school. Everyone wants to be a good student, but very few attend it. A student should have habits of inception to become a good student. Firstly, he should attend his classes regularly. This will help him the daily lessons of the class. Then should be punctual to his duties. Punctuality is the foundation to become a good student. Next, he should prepare his lesson well. If he does not understand his lesson by himself, he should take help of others. Finally, he should possess some qualities in honesty, sincerity, cordiality, industries, intelligence, truthful, etc. By following the above instruction, a student can be a good. Thank you all for listening to me carefully. I hope you like my view on topic how to be a good student.